Hi and welcome in this new video. Today I'm here to show you the quickest way on how you can make money in your local area. This is not a video on how to make money online or other stuff with online business, but it's a simple way as a young person, as an old person. Uh, you can create a little income for yourself simply doing some task. So the idea and the strategy is this. You can go, depends on where you live, on the Craigslist of your country, of your city. For example, here in my local area, we have a website, then people can post what they sell, some service, and if they search some people for some type of work. For example, you can go on this website, just for example, Craigslist or another site for your local area, and see what are the most asked things that the marketplace need. For example, here I see a lot of people that cut hairs and do the nails. This is a pretty much requested job in my local area, but you can go on this website, search for what the people need, and then you can go on YouTube and search for some tutorial, learn how to do and get some skills, and then you can write to these people that you can help them in what they need. If they need to change the house, if they need a barman, or everything simple like this, and you can make money pretty quickly in your local area without a lot of effort. Um this was for the video, is everything, and see you in the next one.